Hi guys, so since the festive season is just around the corner, we have Navratri, Karwa Chauth, Diwali, Christmas, New Year, everything lined up. Moreover, wedding season भी शुरू होने वाला है दिवाली के बाद. तो festivals, weddings इतने सारे होने वाले हैं and this is like the perfect time to do something extra for your skin, to pamper your skin and to make it more glowing because festivals और weddings में कौन नहीं चाहता कि उनकी skin glow करे. तो this is the reason why I decided to review like a facial kit. तो आज की वीडियो में मैं ये न्यूड डायमंड ग्लो फेशियल किट को रिव्यू करने वाली हूँ. दिस इज अ 30-minute DIY makeover facial kit. So as the name says, you only require 30 minutes and it's going to transform your skin into glowing skin. And the best part about this facial kit is that it's free from parabens, sulfates, formaldehyde, MSG, DIA, and it also does not contain any synthetic fragrance. तो ये सारे harsh chemicals, harmful chemicals से मुक्त है and it's a good facial kit that you can use. It's safe for the skin. This is a diamond glow facial kit, so I'm actually expecting good results out of it. It's got 6 sachets and ये सारे sachets मैं एक एक करके use करूँगी. I'm going to take you through each step in detail and show you what each product does for my skin. So starting off, this is what my skin looks like before doing the facial. We're going to start off with the first step, which is using the cleansing milk. A cleansing milk helps to clean the skin and prepare it for the further facial process. And I'm just massaging it all over my face in order to clean my face thoroughly. And then wiping it off using a wet cotton pad. Now that my skin is completely clean, I'm going to move on to the second step, which is using a face scrub. I'm massaging it very gently with a very light hand all over my face in circular motions, focusing it mainly on the nose and the corners of the nose where I have a lot of whiteheads and blackheads. I'm only massaging the scrub for about 30 seconds and then rinsing it off. I feel like all the dead skin has been removed from my face and my skin feels so smooth to touch. The third step is to use a massage cream. आप इस पे देख सकते हो कि स्टेप नंबर भी लिखा है and the duration of which you're supposed to use the product वो भी लिखा है. The duration is sort of mentioned for each and every product. For example, ये जो scrub है इस पे भी लिखा है that you're supposed to use it for 5 minutes. But I only use it for 30 seconds because मेरी skin बहुत ज़्यादा sensitive है. And if I use a scrub for 5 minutes, then my skin will become red. So depending upon your skin type and how much your skin can take, you're supposed to like limit every product's duration. तो मैंने ये scrub सिर्फ 30 seconds के लिए use किया, but ये एक massage cream है, so I can use it for 10 minutes because massaging only improves blood circulation and makes your skin glowing. So the more that you massage, the better it is for your skin. And even if you have sensitive skin, massaging is really good for the skin. तो इसको मैं 10 minutes use करने वाली हूँ. The massage cream is super thick, rich and so nourishing. I'm massaging it in circular motions all over my face. I'm massaging it in upward motions and it's just feeling so good. Massaging is sort of therapy for your skin and you should massage your skin at least once every single week using your favorite cream. Always remember, never massage in downward direction because that way your skin will start sagging. Always massage in the upward motion to make your skin more firm and more tight. After all of that massaging, I wiped off my skin and look at the glow, guys. Look at how beautiful my skin looks. Massaging helps to such a great extent. Scrubbing करने से जो सारी dead skin निकल गई थी, उसके बाद मेरी skin थोड़ी सी dry feel कर रही थी, लेकिन after massaging, my skin just feels so smooth and hydrated and so soft. I just cannot stop over how good my skin looks and feels. बहुत ज़्यादा glowing हो गई है मेरी skin. तो massaging is like a must. You should massage your skin once every single week for 10 minutes. Now comes the fourth step, which is to apply a face mask. I'm applying a thin and even layer of the face mask all over my face, and the face mask is so smooth to spread. I love the consistency. I'm done with applying the face mask. I'm going to leave this on for 10 minutes until it dries and then I'll wash it off and come back. I'm back after washing my face and look at the glow, you guys. मेरी skin literally चमक रही है after using the face mask. Oh my god, I just cannot get over how beautiful and glowing my skin looks. It's so radiant. I'm so impressed. Moving on to step number 5, that is to use a face serum. अब इसमें ना there's a lot of serum, so I'm just gonna use like how much I require for my face, and baki ka I'll save for the next time. I'm applying the serum all over my face and then gently massaging it in circular motions until the serum is absorbed. I'm done with applying the serum and all the hydration is back on my skin. My skin feels so nice and plump. Now since this is the daytime when I'm doing this facial routine, I'm also going to be applying the sixth product. This is the sixth and the last step of the facial routine. अगर आप ये facial रात को perform कर रहे हो then you don't need to apply this sunscreen. पर अगर आप दिन में कर रहे हो तो ये facial करने के बाद आपको ये sunscreen लगाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. मैं 2 finger rule से sunscreen apply करने वाली हूँ. This is the right amount of sunscreen that you're supposed to use on a daily basis. But this pack contains this much, the exact same amount more. So this can be used twice. So this is what my skin looks like after the entire facial, and I am super impressed. Before and after clearly visible hair. मेरी स्किन पहले से बहुत ज़्यादा स्मूथ एंड सॉफ्ट हो गई है व्हेन आई एम टचिंग इट, एंड ग्लो भी क्लियरली विजिबल है. लाइक इट्स बिकम सो मच मोर ग्लोइंग दैन इट वॉज बिफोर. I absolutely love what this facial kit has done to my skin. My skin is literally shining bright as a diamond, and I love this diamond facial kit by Nude. I highly recommend you guys check this out for the festive and for the wedding season. इसको मैं दोबारा purchase करूँगी, and before like a festival or a special occasion I'm going to use it again. I really love what it's done to my skin, and I am super obsessed with the results. I cannot stop looking at my skin. I cannot stop touching my skin. It's become so beautiful. So I highly recommend you guys check out this facial kit. Try it for yourself and you will see a visible, noticeable, beautiful difference. Trust me. So in case if you want to purchase it, I'll leave the purchase links in the description box below. You can check it out. And अगर आपको ऐसे results चाहिए, अगर आपको इतनी glowing, beautiful skin चाहिए which feels so smooth and soft, then definitely check out this facial kit by Nude. In under just 30 minutes, you can achieve such good results. So I highly recommend you guys check this out. So yeah, that was me trying out a facial kit. I'm going to be trying out more such kits in the future. So make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure that you hit on the bell icon so that you're notified every time that I post a new video. और अगर आपको ये video useful लगा, then please hit the like button. Let me know in the comments below which other facial kits would you like me to try out. Also subscribe if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, that's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.